This is a hand-me-down t-shirt, therefore, it is way bigger than it's supposed to be. So I am going to make it smaller. You'll need another t-shirt that fits, scissors, chalk, pins, matching thread, sewing machine. Fortunately, no need for tape measure. Place the fitted t-shirt over the bigger one, then mark its outline with chalk. You'll get something like this. Cut out the pattern outline. It will look like this. Thread the sewing machine with matching thread. Start joining. Start joining the sleeves first. Remove the pins as you go along. Now join the sides. Iron it out to make it smoother and neater. What do you think? You can try it too.